Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for tuning in. Today we're going to be making this very rich and very healthy beets and carrot juice. Let's make it. Over here we have the beets that we're going to use to execute this process. I'm going to wash these beets and peel them, and then I'll wash them again. Over here we have some apples as well, and some ginger, very important. And the major ingredient for this recipe is carrots. Also, now we are done washing and peeling the beets. We're going to cut them so that it will be easy to juice. Beets are very important for us, very important. Why I say that is it contains vitamin B6, vitamin A. It helps to reduce blood pressure, and especially those who are suffering from anemia, this will help you. It's good for your iron. And then we have some lemons. Lemon is also very important. It helps to boost your immune system as well. So I'm just cutting them now, so it So now it's time to juice. I'm juicing the carrot first. Carrot is very essential for the body. It's good for our skin. If you're looking for glowing skin, this is one important vegetable that you need. Carrot has beta carotene. It helps also for the body. It's good for your skin. It makes your hair grow, and it's good for the nails as well. So if you're looking for glowing skin, get some carrots. Next is our beets. Beets, like I said, is very important, especially for those who are low in iron. Beets will really help you. It lowers blood pressure, boosts your stamina, it reduces environmental stress. Very good for you. So next, I'm juicing the lemons and then the apples, and followed by the ginger. And at the end, we have a very smooth and very delicious blend that can help you. This is such a refreshing and healthy drink for anyone. Now it's time to enjoy it. If you have watched till this extent, I want to say thank you all for watching. Kindly subscribe for more videos and click the notification bell. Share my videos as well, and God bless you. Hopefully, I'll see you in my next video by God's grace. So this is it. Thank you all for watching, and bye.